How are you? Important neighborhood business going on right now. Yeah, I'm on the neighborhood watch. And, not much shenanigans to report, other than neighbor Kenny left his garage door up for about the 10th time this week. Rascal. Also, neighbor, I don't know if you've heard, in local news, the local police station had all their toilets stolen. What? Right now, unfortunately, the cops have nothing to go on. Anyway, this neighborhood's not going to watch itself. Later, Gator. I'll see you in church.